In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share files using Dropbox shared folders. Whether you're collaborating on projects or simply sharing family photos, Dropbox makes file sharing easy and efficient. Let's dive right into the process. To begin, you need to have Dropbox installed on your computer or access it by going to Dropbox.com. Once you're there, make sure to sign in to your account. This step is crucial because being logged in will allow you to access and manage your files, as well as share them with others. Once signed in, the next step is to upload or move the files you want to share into your Dropbox folder. You can do this by dragging and dropping the files directly into the folder on your computer, or uploading them through the Dropbox website. Make sure the files are perfectly organized, as this makes it easier to locate and share exactly what you need. With your files safely inside the Dropbox folder, it's time to proceed with sharing. Simply right-click the file or folder you want to share and select the option that says Share. This will open up a sharing window where you can enter details about how you intend to share your files. In this sharing window, you can choose to enter the recipient's email address directly if you want them to receive an invitation to access the files. Alternatively, you can create a shareable link, which is incredibly useful if you want to share the files with multiple people or through different platforms like social media or messaging apps. You'll also need to set permissions for the files you're sharing. Dropbox offers two main permission levels: Can View, which is a read-only option, and Can Edit, which allows the recipient to make changes to the files. Think carefully about which permissions to grant based on the nature of your collaboration or the sensitivity of the data. When you're ready, go ahead and click Send if you've entered an email address. This action will send an invitation directly to the recipient's email. If you've created a shareable link, copy the link provided and share it manually through your preferred method, whether that be email, chat, or any other communication platform. Finally, the recipient will be able to access, download, or edit the files depending on the permissions you've set. This flexibility ensures that whether they need to just view the content or actively contribute to the files, they're able to interact in the way you intended. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on sharing files using Dropbox shared folders. By following these steps, you'll be sharing files seamlessly and securely in no time. Thanks for tuning in, and happy sharing.